Hello! Today I will guide you on how to block an application from accessing the internet in Windows 11. Step 1. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Step 1. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Open the search menu on Windows. Type Defender Firewall in the search bar. Click on Windows Defender Firewall from the search results to open it. Step 2. Open Advanced Settings. On the left panel, click Advanced Settings. In the new window, select Outbound Rules. Step 3. Create a new rule. On the right side, click New Rule. Under what type of rule would you like to create? Select Program, then click Next. Step 4. Select the application to block. Under this program path, click Browse. Navigate to the directory where the application is installed. To select the application file you want to block, then click Open. Click Next to proceed. Step 5. Block the internet connection. Select Block the connection. Click Next to continue.